Why does your MRI of your low back always have bad news? MRIs capture many different things. They show you many different views. Often, they are not dangerous. But if you take that information, Google it, or put it through an AI program, it could get you very depressed. Why be depressed when you don't have to? You're eventually going to figure out what it is and will come up with a plan. So wait till the official report is read by your physician. And oftentimes when an MRI report is read, the radiologist is describing a picture. Your physician will also look at those pictures, and then he will look at you and compare your physical symptoms to the MRI. The physician will look at you and the MRI and come up with a proper diagnosis. There are many people who have severe stenosis, severe arthritis, and have no symptoms. Every finding in an MRI does not mean surgery, does not mean treatment. So don't get nervous before you've met with your physician about your results.